Hey, what's up, y'all? Sephist here, continuing to get ready for the 26th. Today, my back's a little bit sore from deadlifts yesterday, so it wasn't super ideal. And also, I don't have footage of it, but I had something weird happen. I'm glad I'm not a wimp. I don't know how to describe that, but I re-racked 315 while I was squatting during my warm-up, and it bounced out of the cuffs and then onto my shoulder. Like, it bounced off me before it hit the safeties, and luckily it scared me more than anything, but I'm fine. And then it was not ideal, but it just spooked me. I don't know how that happened. I think I racked it a little too aggressively, and it like rebounded out and decided to teach me a lesson. But I'm fine, and I'm glad. I think I've talked about this before, but I used to have an issue with not knowing the difference between being like a little uncomfortable and a little bit of aches and pains and being injured. I think it's just because I was always trying to look for like a way out of things, but I've become much more disciplined, and I'm glad that despite terrifying everybody in the gym, that it didn't really do anything to me. Then I did heavy singles and reps, 565, 585, 590. Like I said, I was hoping that they were going to feel a little bit more snappy, but I cut it off there, and then I did some long pause at the bottom, 315, just for mobility, and that felt really good. But yeah, so I'm, like I said, in competition, I'm really shooting if I can hit that 590 in reps at competition depth. That will put me second place in the weight class, in the 242s, for this weight class in squat in the state of Texas at like 224, 225 body weight. So I'll be really proud of that. We'll see. I'll keep testing the waters. Like I said, I wish my back felt a little bit better. My top of my lockout was a little harder than I was hoping for. But regardless, things to work on, and I'm super excited. Tomorrow will be a bench day. All right, crispy dog. Tomorrow will be a bench day, and we'll be working on more of getting those legs tucked back and comp singles, and hoping for the best. Gonna eat a lot, and just prepping my body to compete. I'm very excited. Stay tuned. Definitely on the 26th. I got a competition coming, but other than that, lots and lots of videos. Thank y'all.